Monthly payments, fuel, repairs, parking, the second car you keep just to cover weekends, and the nagging fear you'll have to replace everything in a few years. Those are the real headaches for every car owner. However, Elon Musk has put a 2026 plan on the table to break that cycle. Centered on the Model 2, a compact Tesla designed to handle weekday errands and weekend duties with one single body. The pitch is simple. One affordable EV that replaces the backup car and the upgrade churn. It offers practical space, lower running costs, and hardware that stays useful as software moves on. Want the when and the how? Stay with me. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an update before we dive in. 1. How does Tesla build the Model 2 to be the last car you need? The headaches of owning a car are not just about the sticker price. Tesla Model 2 is built to solve that. A city-friendly car that still handles weekday commutes and weekend loads. With fold flat rear seats and a front trunk, Model 2 gives you enough space for tools, groceries, or luggage without keeping a second just-in-case car. On running cost, the advantage of an EV shows up mile by mile. Efficient EVs typically land around 4 to 6 cents per mile, while common gas cars sit around 10 to 13 cents per mile. Drive 1,000 mAh a month, and that gap saves about $50 to $60. That is the basis for Tesla Model 2 to aim for one car, does it all, while keeping monthly expenses lighter. Practicality also includes vehicle tow-load power. With a battery around 50 kWh, the Model 2 class can supply about 1 kW continuously for roughly 50 hours, or 2 kW for more than a day. That is enough for power tools, cooking while camping, or keeping a few essentials on at home during a short outage. Instead of hunting for a separate generator, your car becomes a mobile backup source. Home charging is easy to picture. With a 7.7 kilowatts level 2 charger, charging a 50 kilowatt-hour pack from 10 to 80% takes about 4 to 5 hours. Plug in at night, and it is ready by morning. A session like that costs only a few dollars and covers several days of commuting. The routine stays simple and does not disrupt your habits. Longevity is where Tesla Model 2 plans to go the distance. Tesla's approach leaves hardware headroom for years of software updates, and modules like cameras, screens, and sensors are separated, so you replace only what fails. Modern battery chemistries reach thousands of cycles. If one real-world charge gets roughly 250 miles, the useful lifespan can add up to hundreds of thousands of miles. Industry research has even outlined pathways to million cells under controlled conditions, which supports the idea that a Model 2 can serve for many years without forcing an early replacement due to rapid battery fade. Finally, upkeep is meaningfully lower. Independent surveys show EVs often cut maintenance and repair costs by about 40 to 50% compared with similar gas cars. Add that to the fuel savings above, and the total benefit can reach hundreds to over $1,000 per year depending on how you drive. Put the pieces together and a consistent picture emerges. Tesla Model 2 helps trim monthly spend, reduces time in the shop, and stretches the real-world service life of your car. Would you make the Tesla Model 2 your only car if it can keep home essentials running during short outages with vehicle-to-load power? If your answer is yes, comment Model 2 below. 2. In what ways does the Tesla Model 2 cut the financial baggage of owning a car? Tesla Model 2 is positioned as a lighter way to own a car from day one. The idea is to start with a base configuration to keep the entry costs low, then add features only when you truly need them. Over the long run, independent studies show EV owners typically spend about half as much on maintenance as comparable gas car owners, and energy costs are clearly lower, so your monthly outlay is easier to control when one car covers most daily needs. Tesla delivers the pay-as-you-need approach through software subscriptions. The FSD Supervised package can be taken month to month at $99 in the United States, so you can turn it on for long trips or testing, then turn it off to avoid fixed costs. Beyond subscriptions, some performance upgrades are one-time purchases. For example, acceleration boost for the Model Y long range costs $2,000 and activates in the app, cutting 0 to 60 times without moving to the more expensive performance trim. Pricing models like these suggest Tesla Model 2 would also let you unlock when needed instead of paying for everything up front. The entire ownership cycle is designed to be app-first. When ordering on Tesla's site, you pay a one-time non-refundable order fee, then complete the remaining steps in the Tesla app, from uploading documents to tracking delivery. After delivery, you keep using the app to monitor charging, manage features, book service, and submit requests. Centralizing everything in one place cuts travel time and trims the small, hard-to-measure costs. Smaller paid add-ons follow the same pay-for-value logic. Premium connectivity is $9.99 per month or $99 per year in the United States. So you can enable satellite maps and streaming when they add value, then disable them when they do not. From a household budgeting view, these items are easy to forecast and easy to trim without affecting the core utility of the car. Put the pieces together, and the financial picture becomes clear. You lower the barrier with a base trim, add driving capability or conveniences by the month when needed. Buy a few one-time upgrades only if they feel worthwhile and manage it all in one app to save time and incidental expenses. Combined with the reality that EVs generally cost less to maintain and to power over their lifetimes. Tesla Model 2 is presented as a car that does not carry financial baggage. You pay for what you use when you need it while reducing the unpredictable costs that make many families hesitate to own a car. How would you choose for Tesla Model 2? Comment 1 if you want all features installed from day 1, or comment 2 if you prefer the base model, then unlock features over time. 3. How could the Tesla Model 2 break from a normal car altogether? Tesla Model 2 aims for smartphone-style flexible ownership. You take delivery in an affordable configuration, then expand its capabilities through software only when you need to. The center of gravity is Tesla's over-the-air platform, which pushes new features, refinements, and fixes without a service visit. Community trackers such as Tesla Scope have recorded hundreds of thousands of software installs across hundreds of distinct versions, a pattern that shows how frequently the ecosystem evolves. That cadence matters for a mass-market car. It means a Model 2 can ship with a focused feature.